Most Americans have no idea how retirement accounts actually work, and that confusion costs them hundreds of thousands of dollars over their lifetime. I'm going to break down the 3 most important retirement accounts every beginner needs to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which accounts to open, how much to contribute, and the tax advantages you're missing out on. Let's start with the most common one. The 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement account. Here's how it works. You contribute money directly from your paycheck before taxes are taken out. That's called pre-tax contribution. So if you earn $50,000 and contribute $5,000 to your 401k, you only pay taxes on $45,000. That's immediate tax savings. Your money grows tax-deferred inside the account. You don't pay taxes on investment gains until you withdraw in retirement. Most employers offer a company match. This is free money. If your employer matches 50% up to 6% of your salary, that's a guaranteed 50% return. Never leave that on the table. The 2025 contribution limit is $23,000. If you're over 50, you can contribute an extra $7,500 in catch-up contributions. But here's the catch. You pay ordinary income tax when you withdraw in retirement. If you're in a high tax bracket later, this could hurt. And there are required minimum distributions starting at age 73. The government forces you to withdraw and pay taxes. Now let's talk about the Roth IRA. This is the opposite of a 401k. You contribute after tax money. So you pay taxes now, but your money grows completely tax-free. And when you withdraw in retirement, you pay 0 taxes. Not on contributions, not on investment gains, nothing. This is incredibly powerful for long-term wealth building. The 2025 contribution limit is $7,000, $8,000 if you're over 50, but there are income limits. If you're single and earn more than $161,000, you can't contribute directly. Married couples phase out at $240,000. There's a workaround called the backdoor Roth IRA. You contribute to a traditional IRA, then immediately convert to Roth. Perfectly legal. The biggest advantage of a Roth IRA is flexibility. You can withdraw your contributions anytime without penalty. Only the investment gains are locked until age 59 and a half. And there are no required minimum distributions. Your money can grow tax-free forever. You can even pass it to your heirs. So which is better, 401k or Roth IRA? Here's my recommendation. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to get the full match first. That's free money, guaranteed return. Then max out your Roth IRA at $7,000. Then go back and contribute more to your 401k if you can. This strategy gives you tax diversification. Some money taxed now, some taxed later. You hedge against future tax rate changes. Now let's talk about the secret weapon most people ignore, the Health Savings Account, or HSA. This is the most tax-advantaged account in existence. Triple tax benefit. Contributions are tax-deductible. Growth is tax-free. Withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. No other account offers this. To qualify, you need a high-deductible health plan. For 2025, that means a deductible of at least $1,600 for individuals, $3,200 for families. The contribution limit is $4,300 for individuals, $8,550 for families. If you're over 55, add $1,000 in catch-up contributions. Here's the strategy most people miss. Don't use your HSA for current medical expenses. Pay out of pocket and save your receipts. Let your HSA grow tax-free for decades. You can reimburse yourself for those old medical expenses anytime, even 30 years later. Your HSA is invested and compounded. After age 65, you can withdraw for any reason. Withdrawals for non-medical reasons are taxed like a 401k, but for medical expenses, they remain tax-free. Healthcare costs in retirement are substantial, and HSA is ideal for covering the average couple's $315,000 medical expenses. Consider Sarah, 30, earning $70,000. She contributes $4,200 to her 401k, getting a $2,100 employer match. Then she maxes her Roth IRA at $7,000 and contributes $4,300 to her HSA. With $17,600 saved annually and a 7% return, she'll have over $2 million by age 65. A large portion of that will be tax-free. Now, let's discuss common mistakes. Mistake 1. not getting the full employer match. You're leaving free money on the table. Mistake 2. Cashing out your 401k when changing jobs, incurring taxes, and a 10% penalty. Always roll it over to an IRA or your new employer's 401k. Mistake 3. Not diversifying tax buckets. Relying only on pre-tax accounts means massive taxes in retirement. Mix pre-tax, Roth, and HSA contributions. Mistake 4. Investing too conservatively in retirement accounts. With decades for growth, a diversified stock portfolio is better than just bonds or money market funds. Mistake 5. Not increasing contributions with a raise. Increase contributions by at least half the raise amount. You won't miss the money, and your future self will thank you. Here's your action plan. Step 1. If you have a 401k with an employer match, contribute enough to get the full match through HR Today. Step 2. Open a Roth IRA with a low-cost brokerage like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab, and set up automatic monthly contributions, even if it's just $200. Step 3. If you have a high-deductible health plan, open an HSA, contribute what you can, and invest the money. Step 4. Invest in low-cost index funds, like a target date fund or total stock market index fund, perfect for beginners. Step 5. Increase contributions by 1% every 6 months. It compounds dramatically over time. The biggest mistake is waiting. Delaying costs tens of thousands in lost compound growth. Starting at 25 instead of 35 can double your money by retirement, showcasing the power of time. Start with step 1 today, even if it's just 1% of your paycheck. An unstarted plan is worthless. An imperfect plan started today will make you wealthy. Subscribe to Money Ember for weekly financial strategies. Next week, I'll break down the Roth IRA conversion strategy that could save you hundreds of thousands in taxes.